It's my baby brother's birthday. A hurricane. Okay. Actually, have I been a hurricane? I don't know. I'm gonna give it all a hurricane. But, yeah, he turns 11 in like 7 hours. So yeah. Where did I put that? Oh. My eye. Okay, the hurricane. So is there a thug? There is. Okay. There's a tear here. Oh, I knew there was a tear here, but that's on the other side. Okay, so I knew there was a tear here, but it also means that there's a tear here. So okay. I was hoping that I'd get somebody good because I've got somebody past 2 times and they've been really stressful both times. Who's that? I don't think that's his hurricane. Makes you sound like I said sex. You know, I thought that. I don't think I have the hurricane. So yeah, I think I might be good. Yeah. Well, it's actually not good though. So yeah. Let's stay there. I don't think I've been doing that. I'm checking all over it. I don't think there's something else. Yeah, it doesn't look like it. Alright. Shane Holmes. I think that's it. It's something like that. Oh, okay, he's got freeze. That's cool. Have I really not been him? Maybe in, I don't know, maybe like in my faction, but I don't think I've been him. Actually, yeah, I think I have been him in my faction, yeah. Possible. Okay, here we get Bad Bunny, good. Muhammad Ali, not good. George Henry Steele, that's good. Mosh, that's good. And Action, that's good. Okay. Yeah, but I feel like I've done something like a superhero though. Maybe it's Mighty Molly that I'm thinking of. I don't know. That might actually be it. I just saw it. I was like, oh, maybe it's him. It's just at the very top. See, you can like try to make that, I guess. No, okay. That's cool. I think forward on that a little bit. All right. Yeah, I don't think I've even been. Some of that says that at the beginning. I was actually looking at Triple H because I have Triple H's. Actually, no, I just have Triple H on this one. Like on this one. I think I've only been one Triple H though. But anyway, could be wrong. But yeah. My freaking yeah, I was wondering like, wait, is it an alphabetical order? No, it's not. Yeah, I don't think I'm good, bro. Yeah, I don't think I'm in the hurricane. Alright, let's go. Yeah, I don't really remember putting like double R or anything like that for hurricane. So, alright. Muhammad Ali, please. And hopefully, yeah, okay, yeah, hurricane's there, so okay, yeah, good. Alright. I was thinking about saying, like, okay, I need to believe in God. Or like, oh, well, not like that, but like, well, yes, but like, but like, like, freaking, like, yeah, like, believe that he, like, you know, like, trust, and yeah, he, made me hit, like, you know, freaking, you know, like, gosh, bro, freaking, what is this? I'm doing this, like, okay, I'm talking about a big thing, whatever. It might just be because I'm facing a big jam, maybe that's what I'm thinking of, I don't know. No, couple chips, or 200 chips on this. I just wait, 900%. Anyway, yeah, I was hoping that, you know, like, yeah, I would trust, I was thinking, like, yeah, I would trust him, like, you know, like, that he, like, gave me, like, Hurricane 71st, and that I hit one. But then I was like, I trusted him before, and he hasn't really done good. So, like, but he's done good, more than I appreciate. But I don't really trust him, I don't really think about No, I do. I'm like, no, it's not, but I don't really like think of it that much. So. And sometimes he doesn't like do what I want, but it's fine. He's not supposed to. Yeah. And, yeah. He doesn't always like answer it, but at least it is fine. Hey, come on, we need Muhammad Ali. Alright, come here. Now, turn around. Oh, dang it. I was hoping that it would just flip around. Don't go for it. Dang it. No, get out of the way. Yes, okay, I'll go for him. Let's go. Alright, here we go. Let's tap out. This is the big one? Yeah, this one. Hey, bad bunny. You go right now. He's like a drunk or he do right. Something like that. Actually, it can be. He's never made out of you or whatever. Oh, okay, cool. I feel like I was just thinking that. I wonder if somebody else thought. I don't know. I'm not exactly sure. But anyway, yeah. I could be wrong, but yeah. But he actually reversed that. So cool. I guess, I don't blame you for that. So it's not like Muhammad Ali can get hit by anything or anything like that. So yeah. I'm thinking like saying like, this is a dub and like he's like the ref. But I'm pretty sure I said that before, like because somebody was stunned. Not because like they were bad. But maybe it was Eric Bischoff that, yeah, I see that too. Which that's basically what it is. And then he started like attacking afterwards. So yeah, so I wasn't sure if I should say it, but you know, he's equivalent he's equivalent to the ref. Bad Bunny is. He's not attacking him. What are you looking at? Alabama Slam? Okay. So much time. Oh, him? He put him down. So, he put him down and then put him down again. Okay. But whenever I said that, I was talking about like how he put him down again. But he actually did put him down first, right before he put him down. So, alright. But let's see if we can spin it. Pretty sure, right? It's really cool. Okay, this should be the guy. Yeah, let's see if we can spin it out. Nope, okay, let's go top right then. X. Fucking splash. We just took an X now. Oh, I don't know if that was going to be something else or not, but I'm not certain. Going to be something else, but yeah. Oh, wait, oh, wait, this is Mosh. Actually, he's facing Mosh right now. Okay, Mosh, damage him. Mosh, hit your second finisher. Get him up. Oh, well, okay. Hey, Axiom. No, Axiom, no. 1, 2? Okay, then. How damage is he? There we go. No, it's not that damage. Okay, good. Okay. Oh, wait, no, Mosh is the one. Okay. Reverse this. We're going to use some elbows. Okay, now elbow him here or something. Do something. Okay. What is this? Oh, a close on. Okay. Come on, Mosh. Reverse something. Reverse it. Yeah, all three of you fight. Okay, yeah, excellent. Hold on, we need that one. We need to do that. Let's pick it up. Alright. Okay, Mosh no longer has that, but he has a finisher, and he might have just gone for it. He actually has an opportunity to get two. I was thinking he could hit it and then like he rage and then he like two, or then he, yeah, he did. Yeah, he could like two right now. So now he's stunned. Standing by the base with, oh my gosh, he was like charging at me and ran into me. He's like, I mean, I took the ref, but not if it's like so sad. Oh, okay. Oh no. Okay. Could be wrong, but I think I was thinking like somebody gonna paint somebody. I think I was thinking that, but I'm not exactly sure. Sometimes I do that. Because they're like, I think it was like, it was like, wait, that was his finisher? I thought that was his signature, whatever. Come on, guys. When's getting Muhammad out? Where's finisher? Muhammad out of here, man. Like, damage. Oh, boom. Oh, I'm still close to getting the finisher, right? Oh, does Muhammad have something? Yeah, he's got a sig and a push. Oh, George hit it! Oh, he actually went for a sig. I don't know what it was going to be, but actually you can check. Because we have the power of checking. Okay. Oh, he has a grand uppercut, which is super. That actually makes sense. Okay. And the right class is a punch, I guess, and that makes sense. Okay. Combination. Oh, airplane still not that much. Actually set him all. Cool. What's not cool is that he's got his punch outside that he could do on there. So. But what's also good is he has his bear hug signature. Oh, I guess not. Okay. Oh, does Mosh have anything? Mosh does. Okay, watch out. Don't get in there, or they might hit something. Oh my gosh, that could freaking stop me. Oh, he hit the punch on him. Oh, come on, count it. Oh, it still might be over. It is. Gosh, I don't know what count that was. Oh gosh. Oh, bro. No, sir. Oh. Yeah. I must have got it. I freaking finisher like after when they doing it to somebody. I must. Because I was like really close. Don't you have a sig? Yes. Hit it. Yes. Please. No. Gosh, Muhammad. Muhammad's actually in the body. No, Muhammad outreach there. But anyway. He was like something. Oh, backflip? Okay, cool. Backflip was like a standing knee side backflip. It's kind of like bending the knees to like a front backflip. It's just normal, just flat one. Yeah. I have a good feeling about this, but me and Muhammad have the same freaking health and the same freaking body. So, oh, he actually turned around to go after Exton. I was thinking actually Axton, like, fight him or something. He must have like read my thoughts, turned around, but it was too late. So I think I was thinking that one. Back on email. I'm kind of on range right now. Doing like this. Just chilling, bro. Yeah. I'm doing that. Okay. I used to not like things. I thought they were like pretty much I came around, I guess. Still, whenever I see them on somebody, I like cringe or something. It's like, I don't know. It's like, I think it's like weird. It's not weird. No, I guess it is weird, yeah, but no. I'm only like wearing them because I'm not like moving to me. But also, and also, one of them said really expensive. But also, they're like cool. They're like a part of me now. Yeah. And one has Jesus on it, so it's freaking perfect. And also, the other one's my platform, so yeah. Did Axel just reverse? Yeah, I guess it's finisher, yeah. And hit the save, yes. See, this is what I thought, whoever his name was, did in the last one. Was going to do in the last one. I thought he was going to do an airplane spin. I think it was Tyler Bate, maybe? Maybe that was 2 ago. Yeah. Yeah, because Tyler Bate, it was Tyler Bate. He did the, oh my gosh, signature and finisher. Pin him. Yeah, he did the airplane spin. I thought he was going to drop him down and do the arm thing. But nope. Did someone get eliminated? Did someone tap to that move? Oh no, he did. Muhammad. He actually might have used his own. I'm not exactly sure. So, yeah, I usually am like, I'm gonna watch back and see, but then I forget like that I want to watch back and see a specific thing. I usually just watch back and look at the running live. I used to always watch like every single print. That's what I used to do on like Gordon Perkins, like one of my favorite WWE content creators. But I don't watch them anymore because I like watching like videos that like I like watching some people, you know. But if somebody has more videos on their channel that I haven't seen, like than someone else, then I'm gonna save them for last. And I just haven't got to finish my sources out videos. And then I think next would be going up because I think and then kicking it with us. So boom, boom, cover 1, 2, 3. Big hairy dude. Big gorilla. Oh my gosh. Bad Bunny. You're crazy. I was gonna say you're bad or something like that. Trying to go crazy, like bad, crazy, right? No, not crazy, but like trying to get like crazy or something. But anyway. I think Muhammad might still have a signature. This might actually tell me if he used it in the submission. Nope, he must have just got out of it. And he must have gotten it real quick because it's like you hit the swing and then the finisher. So, oh, pin combo or pin. 1, 2. No, kick out. I think I've said that pin combo earlier in pin before. That goes exactly what it's probably. But anyway. I wonder what the rest going on. I'm really sure. What's going on? Oh, this is going on. Okay. Also this. Boom. That's what I was talking about before. Like what Muhammad was doing. But then like, oh wait, what's going on? We've got bunny. So. And here it's actually a good thing I was right. That means that I wasn't doing something. Okay. So it didn't mean like I was like doing as soon as I was like I'm not showing this some of the two finishers, but and resiliency. No. You don't get both. Oh, or Bad Bunny can just do that. Now Bad Bunny get your sig. And then I'll let you get rid of your resiliency, then you get your finish running, and then I can freaking cook. I actually remember doing that choke slam though. Like as one of my moves. Yeah, that must have been in my faction though. Like I did vertebrae kick and choke. Yeah, that was in my faction. Yeah. I did the choke slam and then vertebrae kick. Yeah. Oh crap. Punch! Get in the ring! Yeah, I'm pretty sure. I didn't think that I had been here in my faction, but I must have been. Get out of the ring before he... I don't know. He usually doesn't go for me, but it might have been because I was staying in the ring for a little bit. Oh, no. No, I was just okay. Cool, yeah. Now I can just get in my game and I'll go for me. Reverse this! No! Pin him. Booyah. Alright, Bad Bunny. Come on. I guess I can fight him. If he goes for me, I'll fight him. Oh. Oh, ref move. Oh! I was actually thinking that, yeah, actually, no, stay there so that Bad Bunny doesn't get hit, but he reversed it anyway, so that. Oh. I don't know. Sometimes I forget that, like while I'm doing this. Or, yeah, and also, but I just watched a video of that, so I'm thinking about it. Yeah, because I didn't remember like what I was talking about. And then I would watch it. But then I'm correcting something. So, I said it's still going on. I don't even remember what it really was. But I was going on after a day or something. I just kept coming back to my memory. You know, I got my memory, so anyway. I got my controller because I laid it on my bed because I'm just chilling. Actually, I'm gonna lay on my bed. Don't want y'all to see my clips that I'm laying yet. You've already seen it recently. If you know. Okay. Yeah, it's sick. Okay. Pin him. Pin him. Okay, I was about to have to break it up. Actually, no, breaking it up. Well, no, he wouldn't. Oh, he didn't lose it anyway. Okay, pin him. Yeah, come on. With the finisher. Might actually just, because it's every time it's a oh, I was expecting the Hurricane's finisher. The Hump Hurricane. Okay. I might hit one on one and one on the other. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Let's go in. Hey, buddy, hit. Do you mind if I just sneak in here and hit my SIG? Is it this? It is, yeah. Okay. Crap. Pardon my face. Okay. I was thinking that my other one was finishers, but I forgot the vertebrae going to check that. This is not good enough. He should have not. He did not need to reverse that. I could just let them cook and fight the ref until I get a SIG. Let's just see if Bad Bunny can do something. Oh, bust open. Pin him. Oh, okay, now he doesn't have a SIG. Okay. Amazing. Oh, punch to the gut. And now, a punch to the face. I can't bring it up after that, bro. That was too bad. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Now let's get to the... Actually, I'm not going to be able to go to the tippity top because he'll come after me. So let's just do this. Is it a crossbody or something? No, I land on my touch. Oh, crap. Come on, reverse this. Boom. Let's get rid of the resiliency with the roller. Oh, crud. Oh, crud, muffins. No, you freaking not. You're not doing this, bro. No, you're not doing this. Come on, yeah, do this. Don't do it at the very start. Yeah, do it right here. Now roll up. There we go. Oh, cool roll up. Alright. Get rid of the resiliency. 1, 2. Or beat it all up! I'll take it. Alright. I usually forget. want to say at the end, but I remember how to get. I need to take a temperature. Remember before it does. Because a cough. Go. Oh yeah. Okay. I don't know if this time to do it on camera. Like when there's not strengthening up. Okay. Anyway. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Let's just do it. Let's just go. The moon. Winner is me, and I'm wearing DPP. Yeah, I had to think about it for a little bit though. But I was able to just remember though. Yeah, I kind of like was thinking about it. I didn't really like on me because I don't think I would have got it right. But anyway, all right, that's what we got here. Let's do 20 Freddy Fur with him in it, and me.